My TV remote control isn't working very well. The on and off button and the volume buttons, well, probably the buttons most used on this device, aren't sending out a signal. There is a way you can check if it is sending out a signal. You need to use your phone. Can you see that little pink light there on your screen? Well, that's working. But it needs to be decrudified. Okay, so this is an older model remote control from LG. It's here. That's the only place I managed to get a hold on this. You have to go all the way around. Yeah, true. Once you get some leverage on this, it does open up. It's not glue, it's just clips, but they are everywhere. Okay, this has got to be cleaned thoroughly. This too. Oh, goodness. I think that's Apple. Videos I've seen strongly suggest using 99% isopropyl alcohol. Let's use our imaginations. So you've got the contacts here, but very important on the back side are these conductive carbon pills, which initiate the contact. There's juice here. Oh, those kids. And me. Let's push this guy back in. 5 buttons here, all nice and clean. It seems that it's easier to press it back in than opening it. And I have to agree. Wow. That's all it is.